Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the V top pattern and V bottom pattern. All right, so the V top pattern and V bottom patterns are sharp reversal patterns that form when price changes direction very quickly, creating a V shape on the chart. All right, you can see what happened here. Okay, so a V bottom happens when price drops rapidly and then reverses just as quickly upwards. Okay, there is little to no consolidation at the bottom. This usually occurs after panic selling, where traders exit positions aggressively and then buyers step in strongly. A V-top is the opposite, right? Prices rise quickly, then reaches a peak and then drops sharply. So this often happens after strong bullish momentum followed by sudden selling pressure or profit taking. Now, what makes these patterns unique is the lack of structure, right? Unlike double tops or head and shoulders, the V patterns don't give much time to prepare, right? They are fast and often driven by news events or sudden shifts in sentiment, right? So traders typically look for confirmation before entering. For example, after a V bottom, they may wait for a pullback or maybe a break of structure, right? Jumping in too early can be risky because volatility is high. So these patterns are important because they highlight extreme market behavior, either fear or greed, and the rapid shift between the two. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.